host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a professional personal website on Canva. Once you have created your Canva account, which you can do for completely free, all you will need to do now is simply tap on websites right below the search bar. After selecting websites, I want you to tap on portfolio website. But you can see that you can also use Canva to create business website, event website, and so on. But for this example, we will be creating a portfolio website. So you're going to tap on create blank. After you have tapped on create blank, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you will be provided with a blank canvas, and from the left hand menu option, you will see that design is automatically selected, and you can see different portfolio website layouts that you can use. I will be showing you how to use one of these templates, and I will also be showing you how to integrate layouts on your Canva website. For example, let's say you would like to create a portfolio as an artist, so you want to select this one, or you can type in, for example, you could be more specific and you could, for example, clear this and you could type in, let's say, photography portfolio. So you could do that right there. So I could type in photography portfolio if I wanted to. So I could do that here. If I wanted to be more specific, I could type in photography portfolio. And then from there, you will see different templates that I could choose from. And let's say I liked this template. All I would have to do is select it, then tap on apply all 5 pages. Now after doing this, you can add your own personal touches. To do this, for example, let's say we want to change the photo right here. All we'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, then select upload image or video, and you could upload the image or video that you would like to use. Now let's say, for example's sake, I want to use this image. All I would need to do is drag and place the image, then tap on the 3 dots, then I'll tap on replace background. And you can see that it has replaced the background right there. Then from here, I could tap on the text box and you could type in whatever text you want to use. You can also tap right here and you could edit that text. And if it is a case that you would like to fade the image, so you could select the entire page, then you can tap on the transparency box from the top navigation bar and you could simply pull it. As you can see right there, you could fade it if you want. So you can do that real quick. So that will help to highlight the text even better. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can make changes to the other pages by simply selecting the section that you would like to change. Another thing that you could also do is, for example, if we were to create a blank page, so let's say, for example, I were to tap on add page right here. After doing that, we could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on design. Then after selecting design, we could tap on layouts. After selecting layouts, you can see different layout options that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can select any one of these layout options. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. All I would need to do is simply tap on it to select it. Once you have selected the option that you would like to use, you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, and from there you can drag and place the photos or videos in the frame that you would like to add. As you can see right there, then you could edit the text once more, and you can also change the background color if you want by selecting the page, then tapping on the background color box in the top left hand corner. You could select a background color. So for example, I'll change it to white, or I could use this color right here. You can select any one of these colors, or you could add an image to the background. And from there, you can scroll down and you can continue editing your website by dragging and placing photos wherever you want. Once you're finished doing this, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview how it looks. So you can see how it looks right here. And this is our website at the moment. And you can realize that our website does not have a navigation bar. so it is not easy for persons to browse through and select the different pages. To add a navigation bar, all you'll need to do is, once on your website right here, you're going to tap right where you see Add Notes, and right where you see Page 1, you're going to tap on Add Page Title, and we're going to be calling this the home page, so we'll type in home. Then for page 2 right here, we'll tap right here on the pencil once more, and right where you see home, we're going to change that, and let's say for example we want to call this the About Us page, so we'll type in About Us. Then you'll scroll down and you can select page 3, and you could call page 3 whatever you want. Then we'll call page 4 or portfolio page, so we'll type in portfolio right there, and you can continue scrolling down and naming the pages. We'll call this the contact page, so we'll type in contact right there. Now after doing this, if we were to tap on preview once more, you will realize that we now have a navigation bar present, as you can see right there. So all you'll need to do is simply select it. For example, they can select the About Us section, they can select the contact section right there. So that is how you'll be able to add a navigation bar. And you can customize each section by simply dragging and dropping. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish in the top right hand corner for your website to go live. Then from there you can see how it looks, and after doing that you'll be provided with a free URL that you see right here. If you like to use a custom URL, you can tap on Use a Custom URL and you could choose a custom URL. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Publish Website, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.